Hello again, and as I mentioned in the end of the earlier part, in this one we will generate our displacement map. I will not use the uh, multi-map exporter plugin because I like do it the old way. So first thing which we need to change is go to the UV map and don't delete something or change, I mean in these two buttons, but we need to change the UV map size. So I don't know how big, maybe 8K, but it will take too much time now to generate, so we will stick with 4K texture, and that is all here. And now go to the displacement map, change few settings. So flip map vertically on export, check this. Check export 3 identical TIFF channels, and of course export 32 bits floating point map. And the scale factor, I don't know if this changed something drastically, but let's change it to 10. And of course the displacement map subpixel accuracy, change it to 4. And now we can click the create and export map. So click this, and this will open a window, and we need to save our to navigate to folder where we will save that map in well, choose the TIFF format, not the AXR. And now we can make new folder here and call it textures, and call this one without the pm3d tree trunk underscore displacement. Yes, good. And click save. Oops, a little bit, I forget to change the subdivision level from this subtool to of course 1. Apologize, it needs to be the first subdivision level. And now the same process. So well, everything is as it was. And now create and export map. Yes, textures, just rename it to tree trunk underscore displacement, and hit save. And that will take around, I don't know, 5 maybe 6 minutes, or maybe a little bit less. So I will go back to you after this is completed. Well, we see the countdown is about 4 minutes, so not that bad. Okay, and the map exporting is over. Also, at the end of exporting, ZBrush will ask us if we like also to export the base mesh. No, we don't like to export the base mesh, because we can do it ourselves. And anyway, well, this is the creation of displacement map. And now go to the subtool, and being on well, it is being on the, of course, subdivision level 1, to export it to the obj. And now we can call it tree trunk ZBrush underscore UV. And well, maybe not, maybe because these are final meshes, so maybe just call it tree trunk low, and save. And now go to the highest subdivision level 6, and export it as tree trunk just high. Okay. The countdown is around 50 seconds. And the exporting is over, and we are finished. Let's save our file, and now we need to go in the next part. We will go to Agisoft Photoscan and generate 16K, yes, 16K texture for that high poly mesh. And then we will of course bake all of the maps and bake map from mesh in Substance Designer. So this is over for this part, and I am inviting you to the next part.